guys, people are dragging uPeltos. Relationship yakhe ayinayo mos no JJ Waras. Thina singena kuphi guys ukuthi they were cuddling at some stage the whole night. Like, why would you judge a relationship on me? It's for her. And then most people caught in between there on ukuthi what was going on there. But I'm just like, you saw umntwana kaPeltos, guys, how she was crying. Ukuthi this was his uncle. They were close, guys, those people. Not just to close low, like close. But I want to say just like please uPeltos in kwabona. Ngapha uMini Dlamini, iSIU told the straight ukuthi sisi imali that was paid to you by some NGO. Not like Terry Pet basaba check up no Adam Fokate ngendaba zemali abayithathayo. Zelotho asibe nje bluntly like that, yabona. Bamfakela 50,000 uMini Dlamini basabhizi bakhona namanye ama celebrities nabanye abantu who were actually given those monies because then they were babeyitshontsha leyo mali basically abantu abangathi bafuna ukuvula iNGO bathi sebevule leyo NGO yabo fake yamanga. They put some money kuMini Dlamini which was 50,000 rands. She was just like, oh no, kanti ngizoyibuyisa mina, I don't even have a problem with that money, can I just bring it back. Useyikhokhile usisters imali uyibuyisile to abasabhizi namanye. They were just like, they're not going to tell us the list of the names, and it's the names we know. They're not going to tell us. They're still busy with the list until they are done with them. Nabo babatshela ukuthi lalela leyo mali ayifaka kwena, can we have it back? Yes, you guys, I'm just like, wow. So they must just pay abantu guys imali zomntshontsho. Otheri Pheto basa investigator to this day ngeimali zelotho abayintshontshayo. Kwazi wathi uTerry Pheto was opening some clinic circumcision. I was just like, wasn't ngaleyo nto your daughter ukuba naleyo nto leyo. So they just like, no sisi, you need to pay back the money, but it's not this. Bese ngenza nje example ngayi ukuthi nabo basabhizi nabo no Adam Fokate ukuthi they stole imali yelotho. Guys, imali entshontshiwe. It's the whole thing yokuthi into ngayenza ebumnyameni, but it will come out someday, one day izoqhamuka indaba.